All right, we filled her up with grease here. Just squirted the rest of it on there. What you might want to do before you, just make sure your joints are still good. I'm noticing this one is a little stiff. But I just need to get this sucker back together so I can start plowing snow, because she's snowing out today. And I've been a little bit busy at work, but I got 2 weeks holidays right now, so I should be able to get some stuff done now. Anyway, get that back over on everything there. And get your clamps out of the box. I'll show you how to run this new clamping tool here. And you want to make sure when you're putting these in, rotation of spin. When the clamp goes through, you kind of want, when it's bent over, to go with the spin, so you're not going to rip it open. I know you're going to go in reverse and all that stuff, but you're going forward more than reverse, so you want to kind of get it on the right direction. So that's going to spin that way because it's on the right hand side. I want to bend that clamp, yeah, just like that. So this is going to be my first attempt with this clamp tool myself, so let's see what happens here. Haven't read the directions yet. It wasn't very expensive, so my expectations are super high. All right, I had to pull it back apart. I saw what I did wrong. I didn't read the instructions. I still didn't read them, but I saw this little groove in the center here, which I didn't see before. So you got to put the clamp through that groove, and then through the little wheel here. Right through this wheel. That's what you do to snug it up, is you turn that. So you rotate this, and it pulls it in up till you get to the band. Give it a snug, and then you fold it over, and that's what locks it into place when you fold it over. And then you turn this, and that cuts it off. Some people were complaining that it wasn't very good for cutting, but it seemed to cut pretty good to me. Give it a whack, smush everything together, bend the tabs over, and then the other tab. Get her all down into place. That's that one. I'll see if I can demonstrate on the next one a little better. Okay, so make sure you got your orientation right. Direction of spin for which way your bend is going to be. Because there was enough band for it. So we're going to wrap it twice and see what happens. It's very small and hard to see, I know, I'm sorry. It goes right in the tip, under the cutter, and then in the groove here on the wheel. And then you can start cranking to tighten it up. And then it comes up and it touches the clamp. Now this one is double wrapped, so let's see if we can get her snugged up. Oh yeah. Sorry, my arm was in the way. Okay, we get her snugged up. Then they fold her over. That's what locks it into place. And cut it off. Yeah, no, the hammer's a little big. That's it. New boot is on. Time to go back and put it in the machine. Again, if you're wondering how to get it out, I made a video a week or two ago. Just look back and have a peek at those. Helps you get it out of the machine, and hopefully this helps you figure out how to change the boot on an outer. on the older style ones. Thanks for watching. Why not try it?